Hey YouTube, it's your buddy Southpaw Pete. What I have today is a package from Parky that he sent me jonholistik's #1 challenge lock. So let's take a look in here. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Couple Parky stickers with the new logo. You can see right here is the old, and this is the new. That's awesome. Great job, Park. Hey, hey, hey. Couple of poker chips from the man himself, talking about Puck Parkinson's with that sweet logo. That's nice. Awesome. Love it. Okay, here it is. Wow. Check out that key, guys. Very cool. Okay. And ooh, there we go. Very nice. Can't wait to jump into this. Thank you, everybody. Parky, jonholistik, fantastic. Got some chips. Got some stickers. The cool box that it comes in. And this will be going off to someone else as soon as I pick it. Everybody have a great day. Rock and roll.